Here at the Omni Las Palmas. This is the entryway here, the lobby, boutique. Very nice man greeted us out there. They're gonna valet the car and get registered here. And he actually gave the kids some ice cream. It's awesome. All right, this is entryway here. Flame.
Don't hurt my arm, okay?
You need this guy. We don't want to lose him.
Go.
Oh, wow, Carson.
Wow.
That's something, man.
Yeah, I'm going to stretch it out, but I'll be okay.
That's awesome. So this is the 1600 building. Plenty of parking right in front. Room's not quite ready yet, but they said they'll text me when it is. But we're going to use the pool, which is right on the other side of this building, for now. I think water slides are in this area, yeah. All right. Let's see how to get in. This is locked. Let's see. Yeah, Grandpa's getting his hat. Grandpa's getting his hat. Grandpa's getting his hat.
Did it float away?
What's in those bags they gave you guys?
Oh, it's a chocolate.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I want something.
Man, you were good at arm wrestling.
I win, like, every night.
How'd you get so strong at arm wrestling, Carson? You go to the gym?
Yeah,
How often?
every day.
Wow. On the gate. We gotta swipe our room key here. So we made it to the main pool area. There's my dad and the boys right there. The water slide and lazy river over there. There is a swim shot right there. I bought goggles for myself and the boys, along with some sunscreen. It's about noon right now. The room's not ready. I mean, check-in's not till 4, so that's expected. They actually got connecting rooms. I'll show you in the next video. But they will text us when the rooms are ready. Also, we're gonna check out this restaurant. Kids eat free with the purchase of an adult entree. Kind of typical for a hotel. So we're probably gonna get that for lunch once they're a little tired out from swimming. So it's been pretty cool so far. All right, we got our food.
Should we say a prayer real quick?
The chicken tenders actually look really good. It's not like typical chicken tenders. The food is actually really good here. The kids are digging it. It's like real breaded chicken tenders. My sandwich is good. My dad said his sandwich was good. So highly recommend the food here. On our way to the arcade now. We're at the game cabana, the arcade. Let's check this out. Ooh, it's nice and cool in here. Ooh, this is sick. All right, nice and cool in here. All right, let me get a card.
Come on. You're gonna get shot.
Yeah? Dude, you're going all over the place.
Wait!
All right, if I get in our room, we got our 16, 17, 16, 18. 16, 16. Okay, so we're down this little corner here. Let's see here. I think this one might be Grandpa's. I think we're this one. All right, guys.
No!
Yo!
What is this spelled?
This is sick.
This is so big!
It's a nice bathroom, nice big bathroom. Dude, yes, yes.
This is, hey, Grandpa, this is what we
You got the king bed. Dude, we can watch people do like there's the beach right, there's a little sand area right there.
We can just come to the beach anytime. Yeah, so comfy. Who's that?
So my dad's room is connecting right here.
Who's not?
It's Grandpa.
So,
Oops, sorry.
I need to put this
It's cool. All right, let's check out my dad's. All right, so this is the 2 queen. I mean, very similar setup, except it's obviously 2 queens and instead of 1 single king.
You give them a growl.
Breakfast, kids eat free. Kids are doing buffet, but my dad and I are doing entrees. I got fruit, we got croissants, we got salmon, bagels. We got cereal. We got pancakes and waffles. Okay, let's do waffles. Got the breakfast burrito here. Purple potatoes. The kids got the buffet. They're enjoying it for the most part. The bathroom's right outside the desert parlor, actually. Quite nice.